I wonder if you've ever seen the way the man in the lookout house looks at me before he takes out his teeth and asks me to sign the wall. And I sign his wall with a heel of bread dipped in green Listerine, and then I kiss him on the head and leave through the door in the floor as he starts to fall down dead. I've got a pocket full of quarters and I'm headed for the woods. I'm gonna play Miss Pac-Man in a puddle of mud. I'm not gonna lose my shoes unless I start to cry. And the man in the moon said I'm not left-handed, and he did a swan dive to the promised land while you were lost in my Bob Hope diamond eyes. There's scary topiary to the left of the pool. The trail to the right goes back to middle school. I'm trying to read what the flashing red letters say. They say lowest common destiny, and so I run away, 'cause I can't make the grade when I'm on display. Here comes the man with the laminated plan for the Vince McMahon Expressway. Will you be me, will you be me, wear my clothes and drink my coffee, write my mommy, do my homework, feed my babies, fight my crazies. Will you be me, wear my clothes and drink my coffee, write my mommy, do my homework, feed my babies, fight my crazies.